A great smile can lift your spirits and improve your mood. But what if your smile needs some help? Then it's time for a smile makeover dentist, a rejuvenation dentist, and an anti-aging dentist.
My name is Joseph Goodman. I'm from Germany. I'm a cosmetic dentist and we're in Beverly Hills.
Dr. Joseph Goodman's passion for innovative and holistic dentistry of preventative, restorative, and cosmetic care has grown into one of the most prestigious destinations for cosmetic dentistry. Featured on the Doctor's TV show for his smile makeovers, working with the Dr. Phil show, and featured on KTLA, Dr. Goodman has been trained extensively in complex reconstructive and implant dentistry.
I know how important it is for you. I know.
Located in Beverly Hills, he is the dentist that beauty queens and celebrities see for a gleaming white smile.
Did it in 3 days, by the way.
You've got one shot to make a big first impression. A great smile can be more than a makeover. It can be a life makeover.